we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of VisualPower 3000A Smart Jump Starter. Consists of the following features. Smart 9 Safety Jump Starter. Foolproof auto clamps for zero worry jump starts, never connect cables wrong again. Our smart jumper cables auto detect polarity with 9-layer protection. Safely start cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles in seconds, no risk, no stress. Fits in your pocket, phone-sized power that's always within reach at just 2.15 inches, this ultra-compact jump starter slips into your glove box or pocket. The world's most portable 3000A booster, because emergencies don't wait. 3 tools in 1. Jump start dead batteries plus charge phones plus emergency light. More than a car jump starter, it's your roadside survival kit. Revive vehicles, power devices via USB, and light your way with 3-mode LED. One device, endless peace of mind. All-weather reliability. Works in -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius with dead battery. Override extreme cold or blazing heat. Our heavy-duty jump starter delivers. Unique manual force start mode revives completely dead batteries when others fail. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.